Okay, so our plan is to replace this unit next week. Don't know exactly when, but we're thinking about replacing it with a Rheem. Don't know what model. Probably either a classic or a prestige, or maybe an achiever. I don't know. And there is the heat pump for the guest room. Yeah, the outdoor unit's working fine. Like I said, the indoor furnace, the coils to the indoor furnace are so beaten up, corroded, and decayed that it's just not worth keeping. And the final solution is to replace it. It's warm today. It's gonna be almost 90 today, and it's gonna be like we're gonna have like a 2-week-long heat load of 94, 95-degree days starting tomorrow. There are my neighbor's Train XB10s. My Goodmans are back there. My other 3 Goodmans. Nah, it's just this one that's running. Yeah, this is running under a high heat load. You can tell because the air being discharged out the top is really, really hot. There is the flue pipe. Got a huge compressor. Climate tough reciprocating compressor. And again, these are a couple of 2004 Train XB10 straight cool air conditioners. Gas meter. So right after I shut off the camera, the big old 5-ton came on. Yeah, every house in this neighborhood has gas heat. There's a house around here that has a Lennox XP17 heat pump that I filmed running in heat mode last January, and it has gas heat. So I'm guessing it's either a hybrid heat system or a non-hooked up gas furnace and just an air handler. But yeah, this is the 2008 Goodman 3-ton 13-SEER straight cool air conditioner with the Copeland scroll compressor on its last legs. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.